Many users have recently faced this issue that they keep seeing unable to log in and unexpected error occurred pop up while signing into their Facebook account. This video will show you every possible way to fix it fast and get back into your account once again. This generally happens if you've lost or changed your old device and maybe you're trying to log in from a brand new device for the first time. Now also, if the device sends you to approve the login from another source and you have selected try another way, but somehow the verification process timed out, delayed, or failed. So in that case, make sure you've fulfilled all the requirements in a timely manner. So along with that, you can just force quit the app and try again. Now, another major reason is the internet issue. So make sure you have a working and functional internet connection. You can also turn on airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off to refresh the network. And you can just go ahead and restart your router if you want. Now, if it's still not working, and since this problem might also happen for a software glitch and bug, just give your device a simple restart. After the restart, just go ahead and start fresh. If it still keeps happening, let's open settings on your device, go to apps, and simply find out Facebook. And then from storage, just go ahead, clear cache of the app. Now, if clearing the cache and cookies didn't solve your problem, you can also go ahead, uninstall the app, and then once again, just go ahead, reinstall it, and just try to log in right from the scratch. If everything's okay, you'll be able to log into your account without any problem. If you still couldn't log in, this might be some server issue. You can just give it some time, just wait a bit, or if it's urgent for you to log in right then and there, just for once, uninstall the app so it won't redirect you in here. And from the browser, just try to log into your Facebook account. If you can log in from browser, fantastic. It's just a minor issue and in a while it will be fixed. Let us know in the comment section if you could solve your problem and if you have any more suggestions. Thanks for watching.